Welcome to Healthy Guidance. In this quick video we're going to be uncovering foods that can help for weight loss. So grab some vegetables, literally, and enjoy the show. The first food that I want to discuss is, well, you guessed it, vegetables. Certain leafy greens such as kale, spinach, and collard greens are packed with nutrition and fiber which can help aid in hydration. These leafy greens have thylakoids which have been linked with better appetite management. Other vegetables such as cruciferous vegetables are also high in fiber which makes you not feel hungry. Cruciferous vegetables include broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage. So eating these vegetables is a healthy strategy to gain protein and fiber without gaining a lot of calories. Eggs is another good example of being high in protein. Eggs are incredibly nutrient-dense, which is good because eating them will make you feel full. Eating cereal, milk, and orange juice are all high in calories that will not fill your tummy for a long time. Eating eggs will keep you full and will be low on calories. However, this does not mean to eat a lot of eggs because eggs are high in cholesterol. It is always important to not eat too much of anything. Ask a health professional for an in-depth food diet, as this video is not to be taken as medical advice. Next on the list is fish. Fish is filled with healthy fats and protein. Fish is also low in calories and carry iodine, which is good for maintaining thyroid function and metabolism. Chicken breast is also an amazing food that can aid in weight loss. Chicken breast is packed with protein and iron. Additionally, chicken has less saturated fats compared to other cuts of meat. This makes chicken breast a healthy choice for your heart and for weight management. These are some foods according to research that are believed to help in weight loss. That is going to conclude this video. However, be sure to leave a comment and tell us what foods has worked for you and your overall thoughts. We love to hear your feedback. Hit that subscribe and like button as well, and we will see you in our next video. Adios.